Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. Hello Freedom Warriors. We're going to learn today how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now guys, what I want to talk about is there's many different ways of earning, income online through affiliate marketing. The problem is there's just too many choices. Now, the choices that I made with my affiliate marketing journey is I chose to do high ticket affiliate marketing. And that's what I want to talk about today, because I can only share with you through my experience what I'm doing and what's working, right? I don't want to give you facts and theories and figures and say, hey, try this or hey, try that, if I'm not doing it right now. So what I can share with you what's working for me, all right? And you make the educated decision if you feel that that's for you, okay? So think about this. What I want to talk about is getting paid big high ticket commissions when you are running an online business, okay? So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, be sure the time and effort that you invest, because it's going to take time and effort, that you get paid a higher percent of commission through one sale. Because when you do this, what happens is it's a lot easier to get in the green instead of staying in the red. Because most people, when they get started, they don't have much money. So when they're trying to actually create income, they only get paid like small commissions through other ways of doing affiliate marketing, right? Getting paid like $10, $20. It's very difficult to actually stay in the green that way. You tend to just fall right back to the red because you're not earning enough income to build some leverage in your business, to start advertising, to really start getting to the point you can scale your business, okay? And so what I want to share with you is the importance of having a commission that pays you big money, that pays you high level commissions, so that way you don't have to worry about trying to make 20 sales or 30 or 50 sales to make $1,000, okay? For me, I'd rather work smarter and not harder, and I can make one sale and make $1,000 off that one sale, okay? The power of leverage in this business model can literally transform your life and fire your boss, just like we were able to be free, right, baby?
Yes.
Hello, and there's Ace. So yeah, watch her videos too. She puts out content for Freedom by Design as well. So understand, guys, if you want to change your life and you want to really make affiliate marketing work for you, make sure you go out there and you actually obtain products that are going to pay you more than smaller commissions, okay? Because your time is worth it. You don't want to put time into something that's going to make you work 10 times as harder to make a certain amount of income where you could be free and fire your boss. All right? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. I appreciate you guys stopping by this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that way you don't miss any of our lives. It'll notify you and let you know when we have a new live coming up. And also, I left a link below this video, which is my #1 recommended program that I use to fire my boss and earn a living on the internet. Okay? Take care, guys, and I'll see you in a new video soon. Bye now.